In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to install Visual Studio Code for web development. To begin, visit the official website link provided in the description and download the Visual Studio Code installer. Once downloaded, run the installer and agree to the terms and conditions. Proceed by clicking Next, and selecting all additional options that I selected. Click Next and Install. After installation, click Finish, and Visual Studio Code will open. Follow the video and don't miss any step. First, we installing all necessary extensions. The extensions are Prettier, JavaScript, ES6 snippets, Live Server, and Auto Rename Tag. You may choose to install your preferred theme and icon pack, although this is optional. My preferred icon pack is Material Icon Theme and Fluent Icons. My preferred theme is Dracula, and install these necessary extensions also, Eslint, and finally, Auto Close Tag. Lastly, ensure that you have installed all the extensions before you start using the software.